Abanyakisoro barugumizamo okwesiimira abwa jeno Kayihura okwihwaho emanja ekya kyarenga hometown ya Kisoro. Obarugumizamo okwesiimira abwa jeno Kayihura okwihwaho emanja bashomerwa nebara eyanegira ngo jeno Kayihura yahumura obusirikare.
On behalf of my family and my own behalf, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to you all. One, for loving me in good and tough times. Secondly, for praying with me. As you all know, yesterday the state dropped all charges against me. As a lawyer and law-abiding citizen, I knew sooner or later the truth would come out. I never even once lost confidence in the court-martial. I knew it would be a matter of time and justice would be delivered. Yesterday was one of my best days. You appreciate the meaning of freedom when you lose it.
Jeno Kayihura yakoze omugishogo ogonja kusima President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bahaburwa ahabo kumurekora.
I take this opportunity to thank one, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, who is not only a great and visionary leader, but also listens and cares for his people.
Inshuti yacu General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tumushimira kubw'ubupfura kubw'imbabazi yatugiriye nk'abafumbira akatwemerera kugira ngo ugundi murundi twishire twizane umuvandimwe wacu mubyeyi inshuti yacu General Kayihura yishire yizane mu gihugu mumfashe dushimire president wacu.
Bakansera ba Kisoro abamo nabanje kuhereza ebitekateko byabo.
Mbere twaje gushima Imana kubw'umusirikare mukuru uturuka Abafumbira.
Tangiye urugamba turugusaba turasabye birashitse. Munshimire president n'umuhungu we na government ya Uganda movement.
Ahandi birenze ibyo mari gumuduhana umugisha mwakoze cyane.
Nje namwe n'amashimeji bamwumvishe iyi nkuru mukitabira mukaza kubana natwe uyu munsi.
Gashakwa Kit Atzarirwe Awa TV West.